Hi, good evening. And here's Huimin Ma. And I am a student in interactive media studies, and here's my final presentation about IMS 414. So today I'm gonna be a tour capital analyst to explain an online furniture company called Wayfair. So I think this enterprise has great potential for future development. So today I'm gonna introduce this company first and share some of my ideas, my analysis about this company opportunities or investing, something like this. So now I'm going to introduce some information about this company called Wayfair Incorporated. And this company engages in the electronic commerce business in the United States, Europe, and internationally. So it provides approximately 14 million products for the home sector under various brands. The company offers selection of furniture, decorative accents, housewares, seasonal decoration, and other some home goods. So it sets, including Wayfair, Jules and Main, All Modern, Birchland, and Paraguard. And Wayfair Incorporated was founded in 2002 and is headquartered in Boston. And Wayfair has online store and own offshore sites. And the Wayfair family of sites includes Wayfair, its main site, and other 4 subsites. These sites cover all business related to home goods, such as high-end, low-end, or free design furnitures. And it also has many platform marketing, such as Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and Google Pay, something like this. So next slide is opportunities. So I'm gonna talk about like investing opportunities. According to the data for Statista, the income of the furniture electronic commerce industry in the United States has been increasing year by year, and therefore the future market prospect of Wayfair, I think is very good. But as far as we know, the prevalence of coronavirus has caused many companies to face a economic crisis, and many stocks fell or the capital chain was broken, leading to the bankruptcy of small business. So at the same time, Wayfair stock's price has been falling during the coronavirus epidemic, which began January 26, 2020. And the price has fallen to the lowest close of $136.80. But since then, it has soared. The price jumped to $845.80 on May 10th, 2020. The reason I think is that Wayfair's good sales performance during the epidemic. So in the first quarter of the fiscal year, the total net revenue increased $385.2 million to $2.3 billion. It was up 19.8% year over year. Electronic commerce in consumption surged and its performance was very impressive, so which led to surge in stock price. So I'm going to talk about benchmarking. So about this chart, it shows leading U.S. companies ranked by online retail sales from 2017 to 2018, and all the number on this chart is billion in US dollars. So as an electronic commerce, so from as far as we know from this chart, Wayfair, as an electronic commerce enterprise, online retail sales of Wayfair increased from $4.1 billion in 2017 to $7.7 billion in 2019. Since Wayfair deals only in the future segment, the sales are smaller than platform enterprises such as Amazon. At the same time, compare sales of different companies from 2017 to 2019. An increasing trend indicates that the whole industry is growing and the overall environment is very good. The key variables are company and sales. As an electronic commerce furniture company, Costco, the Home Depot, Walmart, and Amazon are our main competitors. So vendors of Wayfair also participate in these channels and prices are transparent. So Wayfair needs more way to prevent malicious bidding. And in my own opinion, I believe this is a company with great potential, but since their sales are limited to furniture, it is normal for sales to be far below Amazon. But now the network is more and more development, and many furniture could be ordered online and delivered direct to the door. So I believe their development prospects must be very good for Wayfair, but if they want to continue to increase the normal, they probably got some new policy, such as doing more efficient marketing, like more people know about this leading brand in the furniture industry. So next one, I would like to talk about the improvements about social media in Instagram. So as an electronic commerce company in the furniture industry, Wayfair is currently the main competitor in the furniture industry. I chose IKEA USA and the Home Depot. These two companies are based in the United States. According to this active degree in social media, a comparison was made, and so a report from Q, Wayfair's most active channel is Instagram. So I chose Instagram engagement as a metric. And from this chart, we could see the weighted engagement equal to 0.6 comments plus 0.4 likes. It's because since Instagram is mostly about furniture pictures, the company hopes that customers interactive positively and are interested in purchasing the furniture they post on the Instagram. So the weight of comments is higher than that of likes. As a result, IKEA USA has the most engagement in Instagram, which is 75,373, and Wayfair ranks the second. So Wayfair probably needs to learn something useful from IKEA in terms of content. So now I'm going to talk about the improvement about social media in Twitter. So it was just surprised me because after analyzing the avenue engagement rate per post on Twitter, it is found that the engagement rate of each post in Wayfair is very low, only 0.02%. To further analyze the reasons, I will summarize the replies on Twitter in 1 month and found that many people comment on Twitter due to the problem of orders and customer service, especially for United Kingdom service. So the website design for customer is a little bit flawed. I think customers cannot get help directly from the above and comment on tweets as customer service. So the real interaction is only 13%. So Wayfair can be placed on the top of the correct customer service links and contact information on Twitter, so that people in need can find out at first glance. So, and probably the state also need to be improved, I think. I suggest. So I'm gonna finish my final presentation. And I thought after I finish this, probably you guys have some questions about my presentation. So here are 5 Q&As. And the first one is, why is this company promising? So I think there has been an increase during the outbreak of coronavirus. So the company is in line with future consumption trends. So the next one is, why do you do social media analysis? For this company, I think they are still far from Amazon's platforms in terms of value. So the company needs to increase its popularity and improve its user conversion rate in the future. And social media is a place most likely to bring new users to the site. So next question is, why do Instagram analysis and what are the results? So through a survey report from Revolicue, Wayfair most active channel is Instagram. So I chose Instagram engagement rate per post as a metric in Tableau dashboard. And as a result, IKEA USA has the most engagement in Instagram, which is 75,373, and Wayfair ranks the second. So Wayfair needs to learn something useful from IKEA in terms of content, I think. And the next one is, why Ways chose for weighted engagement are 0.6 and 0.4. So since Instagram is mostly about furniture picture, the company hopes that customers interact positively and are interested in purchasing the furniture that is posted on Instagram. So the weight of comments is higher than that of likes. The last one is, why engagements on Twitter are so low. Just like talk in the last slides, the website design for customer service in Twitter, I think, is a little bit flawed. Customer cannot get help directly from the above and comment on tweets as customer service. So Wayfair can be placed on the top of correct customer service links and contact information on Twitter, so that people in need can find out at first glance. So probably the site also needs to be improved. So thank you.